अगर आप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में जॉब के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हैं और इंटरव्यू देने की सोच रहे हैं, इफ़ यू रियली वांटेड टू डू समथिंग इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, then these are the things you really need to pay attention to, that you have to learn AI tools, basic AI tools. Like if you are doing SEO, then you should know that which AI tools will be used in content creation and keyword research and content optimization and creating backlinks and all. Which AI tools will be used in content creation like ChatGPT and Google Bard for keyword research, Uber Suggest and keyword.io, जो कि Google का ही keyword research tool है, वो amazing keyword research tool है. And for if you are going for social media marketing, then all the AI tools which is coming in social media marketing, you have to learn. You have to know about them, a little bit knowledge about AI tools. So if you're going for an interview or thinking of doing digital marketing, then all the AI tools you should keep in your knowledge.